Hello everyone.
Hello.
I'm very pleased to be here at the time where I think I was supposed to be here. But anyway, that has been what I've been able to all the time. My name is Maria Molde. I am from CISU, which is Civil Society in Development. And I find it very interesting to be here today and meet a lot of you because normally in my work I meet mostly Somalians and a bit other African diaspora organizations, but I'll tell you a bit more about that. But it's really nice to see such a broad variety from the diaspora community. And also I have to say that my special expertise is not within job creation, but I'm going to tell you just briefly about CISU, what kind of organization we are, what kind of funding we provide, within what framework, and then just one or two examples of how job creation also play a part. Let's try and do it short in 5 minutes. But CISU, for those who don't know that, is an umbrella organization of almost 300 civil society organizations in Denmark. So that is organizations who are doing development work either as their main business or just as a part of what they do. It could be a trade union who will be working in Denmark and might have a small part of what they do to have international relations somehow. And we do have a lot of ethnic Danish members. We also have diaspora members, and we have organizations which is a mix of people originally from Denmark or people originally from other countries who has joined different kind of organizations. And we had some years ago, we did have a few years ago, we had somebody employed to try to do something specifically to involve diaspora organizations more actively in the development work. And this person actually did a lot of very proactive things in order to do special trainings. She made mentoring sessions, mentoring things with more experienced people, with more unexperienced people. She had like writing workshops where people could come and write applications for funds. And in the end, actually that approach changed a bit, because her experience was that it didn't make that much sense to do such a different approach to this group of people, because there were a lot of also Danish organizations who were very inexperienced, who wanted to do different kind of projects which they had problems with. They were saying, why are the diaspora organizations getting all this special attention? So we want some special attention as well, because we find it quite difficult as well. And another thing was that the framework CISU is working with is the civil society policy from Danida, which has as its ultimate aim to strengthen civil societies locally, strengthen local people's own organizations in order for people in these countries to be able to change their lives themselves. And a lot of the organizations we met who came to CISU, especially the diaspora organizations, very much wanted to do service delivery, which was for very obvious reasons, because many of the people we met